Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fetch the iOS SDK. So right here, I have a sample project created. You can open Terminal. If you don't have CocoaPod installed, install CocoaPod. So follow this, sudo gem install CocoaPods, type in your password, and now you should be fetching the CocoaPods. And now that is installed, you can use pods to basically fetch the iOS SDK. So how you would do that is you would need to create a file, a pod file. So right here, new file, and you would need to enter the following contents. So platform is iOS. We'll be using version 9.0. And we'll be adding this, use frameworks, exclamation mark, target. You would be using the same target as you have in the Xcode project. If you're unsure what it is, you can open your project and it should be this one. So for me, it will be Jibestream app. And now you would need to add in this following line to basically point to the iOS SDK repository on GitHub. That'll be https github.com Jibestream jmap iOS SDK pod.git. And save it as Podfile. You can just save it on your desktop, that's fine. Now let me minimize this and you will see that you have a pod file created. Drag and drop the pod file into your project directory. Go back to terminal, navigate to the project directory. For me, it's desktop, Jibestream app. And you would run pod install. You should see a bunch of things happening. And now it's pre-downloading the Jibestream iOS SDK. And now you should have the iOS SDK installed. So you can open the workspace and you should see it under pods and frameworks right here.